Molweni, ninjani? Can't believe I'm doing this. Today's a work day. It's the 26th of November and I'm working from home. Hence, ngibe gown. Hlambile, danxiba, but it's just that kuyabanda, so I just put on the gown on top. Perks of working from home, don't judge. So, as I was saying, namhlanje imini exciting because siyodibana ne-lawyer. Mna nepartner yam siyodibana ne-lawyer to discuss and draft i-antenatal contract. Those who know ke once kuthethwe i-antenatal contract ihlubile. And funny thing is that abantu abayazi this whole thing. Okay, last week ndendathetha nomamam, yabo, so ndendathetha nokuthi uba okay ndizothetha nomamam ne so that nim-inform uba you're planning to bring a portion of ilobola ngo-December, whatnot and whatnot. Mama was like, okay, sharp, I approve, I'm happy for you guys. Just that your family I can use to send a letter, then she's gonna start telling everyone else. When it comes to friends and and other people, abazi next and baxelang. Yena ke umfana, I think ezakhe ichomi ziyayazi uba he's planning to pay lobo akanasifuba. It's just ngabantu bathetha yonke into, mna ngabantu balinda izinto zibe ngathi final. Then they announce about, okay, actually this is what happened, silapha boko. So hluke kanjalo. So ezami chomi azazi, family ayazi. I just told my mom naye wathi akazoxelela mntu until kufika later, then it's gonna inform the uncles and my gran and all that, because umakhulu wam angabuza ngayo impilo. Everyone ongenayo angamxelela. But yeah, I don't know if I'm excited. Okay, normal. Okay, I'm just documenting this so that I can look back to it. I don't know, I post eventually, but not now as it's happening. I post clash. So we have an appointment after work. Say office in Mnandilapa. So I'm gonna drive my car to the place. I can then sit discuss, and then I don't know if some Linda I drafted and signed today, or we're gonna come back tomorrow or make another appointment to go back, so sign and finalize things, and then se move like guys, swadala hey. Picture yako uyoprotect isikorokoro sakho sithi wena. So Sanibonani bangani, it's me once again. It's hours later ke sana. Ndiyendabuya I did a bit of work, I started cooking. Hence, ndibuya back now. I think it's past 6. And in the lighting it changed, it's a bit dark, but nonetheless, we spoke about the contract, and this is funayo to be included, and this is very excluded. We're happy with the lawyer too. We've made a payment, so he's gonna draft the contract, and then I add this and definitely add, then send it, and then we're gonna check it. If we quiz into sifunos add okanye is opposer okanye izinto ezingekho communicate via email, and then as it ends, it changes, and then go see a payana ayosayina ke ngoku siyosayina phambi kwakhe physical, because funeka sign physical, and then ibe itsho into ke. Into edika is that mna bendisekuxelela abantu because nothing was happening wethu, so I was like ndizobaxelela ntoni abantu because we haven't even taken the steps, yabo. Yena he's been telling about, even Wosibuya is telling, suko sign. I don't know, he got like 3 calls. Gogo Sibuya. Boba itrebo bantu bethetha na befone ubaxele. Indlela ngena sifuba ngayo ke leyo. He's just umntu onjalo. So yeah, I was like, okay, let me just tell my friends. I might as well because Namgogo, I think Sengalba excited and my friends are so happy for me. Bayanovuyela shem ba excited. Sebefuna ukwenza plans. They like, yes, ifuna za aprons, the content. Don't do, and they like, why you late, short notice? But nonetheless, they're so happy for me. They're excited. I think they're going to be super helpful because services and as on their plans and stuff. So yeah, that's it for today. 27, day after a meeting. The notary. Actually, our notary came back to us. Watibana, instead of Friday, let's do Thursday. Sources opinion like on Thursday. So today I'm gonna go do my hair. Dinner hair appointment, nail appointment, ne appointment with the designer. I just want to tungise something nice and neat for the lobola negotiations, and also I want to soak off these and then the ezinye nails. So let's go. This is getting exciting by day, Kesana. And I finally told my friends. They were so happy for me, but excited. We've started planning. And they shouted about, why didn't you tell us on time? So budget. I said, I'm like, hey, sorry. Bafana baya potana or so many azuvele ngicela abantu into endingayazi baye finalized or not. Otherwise, for now, all is well. Let me drive home. Peace. Oh, bayathetha abantu banxile esalon. Molweni. So it's later in the evening. 27 November. Hair done. I forgot what they're called as Mele, but I'm happy India's turned down. Nails done. The color is a bit out of a comfort zone, but nails done for now. And tomorrow we're going to be meeting in notary again to sign. It's time. Namhlanje Thursday 28th November. So an appointment with our notaries today. Mean your sign, your fucking stamp seat. We are going forward. It was like a sana oko the down. I don't know. I think the Zama was uplift the spirit because this whole thing has been rather very stressful. Hey, I think the tate light can is on the drain. It requires so much. It requires so much preparing. Requires so much everything. And kuningi and minangi wanje. Otherwise, let's go sign and get this over and done with. Hello. We just pulled in Kesana. Selfie. Nasa certificate esithi thina ba okay. Umthetho uthi injalo bo. And ezithengisayo traditional things ngabantu becawa basuka from all provinces. So I'm here to check aprons. But isembalwa zizogcwala. Silokhwe amadaki, I think namaphini. That is amaphini.
ileta ndiyaphinda hayi ngozibhakaseleza ezintweni awazithandad bantu siyabulisa ndiyaphinda khona siyabulisa kusapho orhutula umntu silusapho lwakwaMakhabeni oodolo oozulu omchenge unyana wethu ubone intyatyambo kwikhaya lethu besingathanda ukuzovela ngomhla ka-14 Disemba 2024 malungana neengxoxo zokwakha ubuhlobo nelobola. Siyathemba ukuba le ncwadi nizoyamkela
Uthambele? Hayi wena nguye umdala nje.
unqabile uhlala
Echatswell. Senziwa kwendlini yakhe.
Chapman.
Senziwa ngapha echatswell edanu. Ngapha kwasedanu. Uhamba kwasedanu.
Yeah.
So nindixele prior so that bana angaziba ne-excuse yabo. Nithi idate ithini? But ke 14 kaDisemba. Kanjisonise ngimezibhizi but ayengxayi because mna ndikho busy mna ezo ntsuku ndihlele ndiyaziphangelela qha ndivuke ndindli emsebenzini ndibuye boza andigodwa nogoduka lo nyaka.
Hello, I come back. Molweni guys, ninjani? I feel like I've been AWOL. I feel like Ogondi Dukile, but I'm back. Hey, go hectic. This thing is not as easy as I thought it would be. I flowy as a planner, like the planner and the organized person in me is just screaming internally because what? Okay, today is the 5th of December. So I'm going to fetch my mom M17. I want to buy a few plates, maybe like 10 nezitya and glasses, because when I went to Kaya I counted the plates. We used to have a lot of plates and a lot of glasses, but ke ngoku ziyaphela man, like I don't know, when I counted like 10 plates, 11 plates, and same with the glasses as it descent. There's like 11, 12 glasses. So I'm just gonna add maybe 6 glasses, or I don't know, 4 plates or 10 plates or whatever. And then I'm gonna add spoons, maybe like 10 or something. I don't know, but I think they should be enough. If not, then I'm just gonna take ezinye apha endlini yam ndiye nazo phayana ekhaya, same with the amacephe and all that. And otherwise I can just buy takeaway things and use cutlery the plastic for other people. It's just for amandwendwe and nabantu abadala basekhaya abazoba part of the negotiations. I would like for them to be served as platini. So yeah, today I'm gonna go sort that out. Kumole kufutshane ne workplace kamamam. So come along with me. Sana bendisoyeka uthenga izinto. I was like, is it too soon? Zazibeka phi? And that's why ndingekafuna uthenga ukutya and stuff. But at least it drinks, I don't think ziyasokolisa, yebo. Because I was thinking, when is the right time to start buying? But I'm under pressure because it's not like ndikwi-leave and saphangela. Yeah, boss. So that's why I want to buy whenever I get a chance after work. Then this vlogging thing, hi bandla. At home for a few things. Anga grocer. Quick haul. The ede is izinto. These are spoons. I got 2 of them. Then peeler, knives. Lando yo clean shower le. I'm gonna use it for clean festile. Then be fight okay. Is it too big and small? Lace curtain, then glasses set as a 2 or 4 pack. Like I said, the corner is 10 bendes balile, so I'm adding kuzo. Then I got these for 25 rand. 25 rand. I think I got 4. Then this Indoye swekile. Got 1. I should have gotten 2 years. Ndoyo BC. I think in Pachke, I don't know. And then Beiti Poti. I was advised by your cousin Wamge. Then it's 2 of these for now. And then bicarbonate of soda, I bought it so I sebenzisa for cleaning tomorrow. Clean amadonga, festile and all. Ndivile bakuthiwa it's good. Ufake isepha, ufake into zakho zonwabisa kamnandi, then you add this. So yeah, these are the things that I got so far. And I think ngokukushota ukutya man. Groceries, like, and then meat, and then drinks, like juice in a soft drinks. So yeah, here's the mini haul. I'm just gonna use izinto ezilapha, and then I'm just gonna take from izinto that I have at my own place, so that zizo add up. I don't think you can need when izinto is brand new. I'm just adding to what they have up higher, and then I'm also going to bring izinto zam from Guam. So yeah, izinto hey, it was 600 easy without those 2 plates, the set of plates. And then diamond yothenga ke ngo izinto and a few other things which isn't quite important. But basically this is more than 700 rands for izinto ezimbalwa kangaka. Okay, there's 4 of those. But sana hayibo imali yasebenziseka. Idake spirit sam. This is me ke endleleni eyoklina. Soklina indlu ekhaya. It's a spring cleaning for the mandwendwes. Sebenza, girl. You say it, girl. Hi, Elitonga. Hi, son.
It's not made sure.
Son. See, I see some smoke saying a pair of smoke, son. Don't know. No, I'm napkin. No, still what is. Go be content, is this one? Go be content.
Are you gonna
Poor, uyafika ke lo nguris ke try uyangena majojo wesukutya inkulu god izawucutha
Yeah, inalapha.
emacaleni.
Yeah, at least xa ingabikho ncinci kakhulu.
I'm trying to trust the process because bengicela lezo but
Icutha-ke. Hi, I'm not the bride. Uvela ntoni? Hayi son. Come back bon. Naso ke be. Mfazi kamfowethu on the bakings. Busy ntoni wena sisi kasixelele? Asikakubona uphethe nto kufikile. Lo ubhizi sisiqo. Nangu umuntu esithembele ngaye apha.
hayi kwesinzonizisa yena
The bride of the soil don't be.
Hi.
I'm a bride. I'm a bride of a bride of a bride. I'm a bride. I'm a bride of a bride.
Somlande yonke indawo somlandela uJesu afose aphina somlandela. Sleeping arrangements.
Uthi asibangubana ofonayo kwathi ubuye kuzona
Isidudu. Sitheni? Sim.
iphile ntombi yam ke ndiyibona ndizothina ndiqala ukuthi kaloku ndifike ekhaya ndinaphepha yonke loo nto besahluka December 95 hayi
wavulele naya nkqonkqoza vule amandwendwe
Benfica namhlanje ngomsebenzi esikhulu. Benfica namhlanje ukhona
Fukazi, take now we family. Okay. Call me my first call to see the flight. So the video content. Please, thank you very much.
Yakuthwalisa na. Iphizi.
Yes. Yes.
Into ipins.
Kuma.
Check it out.
Ambulelo rengo eskoleni paso keza angama polisa ambulelo rengo eskoleni paso keza angama polisa there's a video here. It's a video.
Oh, mother of the blind.
Right, find out you are. And this is and ziva.
Chacha lena nasipileke ah. Faki nyama banana. Ndifuna lena sihambisa ezi.
Shatu hagloni
Gravy ndleni ngayo kaloku.
iyaqala asambe nomgaqo asambe nomgaqo angiboni angiboni oh itsho
Chomi sana andizukubheka.
Oh, bethunana. Ala,
Latest. Ladies and gents.
Yes.
Yes, siphethwe ukudya ke sisebantwini. Hayi ke wona ke bona ke. Lento sithetha saphumela.
Lolutwe ehage Lejinipelele Latinabo Abantuba Abasalanana Lejinipelele Latinabo Abantuba Abasalanana Dio So umakoti udiniwe umakoti wotolo uZulu omchenge nanku bethunana nanku udiniwe uyabona uyemasaja ngoku ifrain yakhe tunani ifrain izinje ke ngqaphile bethunana
nathi ngisho mphathele
simphatheleni yasala ngancane. Since it's the last time.
Mamfura lo akancane ufuna itu mamfura
hayi phela light
Bese kuzokuphuma phaka lo